On-demand business is on fusion, and Uber has become synonymous with the word on-demand. There are a number of services offered by Uber like taxi booking app, handyman, grocery delivery, and so on. And now Uber for Maids has thrilled the market. In the US alone, more than 3 million workers work in the cleaning industry. The revenue of the home cleaning industry is forecasted to reach $1,200 billion by 2026. If you too want to launch your own app like Uber for Maids, we at Code Brew Labs offers you a complete tech suite of Uber for Maid solution. Admin panel with the features of manage providers. The admin can add, remove providers and view their profiles, including details of services completed, reviews, earning, and much more. Manage promo codes. The admin set the promo codes and discount percentage manually with their expiry dates. Master data. Admin can see the list of service providers and customers on their dashboard. Booking requests. It would be easy for admins to see and filter all the booking requests. It also includes cancelled bookings. User application with the features of service status. Users can check the status of services starting from accepted to services accomplished on time through the app. Referral sharing. Users can promote apps via referral sharing. Admin can offer them bonus points and discounts when they share referral code with others. Real-time tracking. Customers can easily track service providers through the app. They can also know the estimated time of arrival of the service providers. Instant booking. Users can place a service request by mentioning time and date, and get the job done in no time. Service provider application with the features of route optimization, helps the service provider to reach the customer's locations easily and quickly. Document submission. Service providers register themselves by submitting required documents. Schedule jobs. Providers are facilitated to schedule the accepted appointments through the app and can organize their work effectively. Earning history. They can check their earning history with the details of the number of services completed and commission earned from them. Be the one like Uber and start serving customers with the Uber for Maid-like app. For any business-related queries, get in touch with us.